What up, guys? It's my 2010 Chevy Tahoe. I'm gonna show you my stereo. Got a 215-inch Nemesis Audio Mystical Series in a QBOMB ported box. Prefab, but works for now. I'll show you the amp here. Also Nemesis Audio 3000 watt max, the 3K. Tucked in nicely, wiring. Got the Nemesis Audio wiring kit. It's also got the that's the 4 gauge. And the bad part is I still got the stock head unit, just with the high-low converter. But I just want to show y'all. Let me start it up, see what it sounds like. Got the bass knob down here, right under the dash right there. Let's see. Kind of a slow start. Starter's getting kind of bad on it. Okay, here we go. Just running on a CD, some kind of burn CD. I want to do the aux, but all I have is my phone right now to record, so we'll check it out. Shut that back.
Some shit I can teach. Hey. Michael Jackson never beat it. Hey. Grip up on him like Steve. Big up for fight as an eagle. Hey. Juju really not mean it. Feel like jail, I'm a demon. Bitch in the back and they cheap. Damn, Arby sweet.
Switch the song.
You gotta love yourself and all.
Change the song real quick. Hitting pretty good.
new clip. Shoot your ass, put you on a news clip. How with 2 lips, smell like 2 lips, put you in the ground right next to the tulip. Nigga talking shit on the other side. Tell that pussy nigga I pull up. Used to sell work to his aunt. He ain't push weight. Nigga did pull-ups. By the time you look.
Alright guys, there it is. Sounds pretty good. I mean, it ain't all that, but I mean, it's pretty good for just a basic, it's kind of like a mid-grade setup, but just, you know, the, if I'd put a, obviously like a port tune box and a, obviously like a double din receiver in there to really help it out a lot, I think. So yeah, but I mean, they look pretty good. A couple months old probably. Got them warmed up right there pretty good. Like I said, there's the amp and everything. Bass knob cranked all the way up. All right, man, and that's it. I'll catch y'all next time.